What makes a school a community? It's the students with endless curiosity, the teachers and staff with heartfelt dedication, all coming together under the same roof. The past few years have reminded us just how important that is. But one of the challenges educators face is maintaining a safe and healthy classroom, starting with the air everyone breathes. At WellAir, we believe everyone deserves clean air. That's why, for more than a decade, our medical experts and elite scientists have been researching and rethinking the great indoors. WellAir's patented nanostrike technology inactivates airborne viruses and bacteria at the DNA level, disinfecting the air around us. Our solutions help school communities get back together safely. So take a breath, and we'll take care of the rest. WellAir, it's that important.